Yeah.
Tickle him again.
Trevor!
Can you turn up the light a little bit
Trevor,
more?
I'm not kidding!
It's as high as it can go, Mum.
You were told! Oi! Stood up! Look at your fat
See?
He's a big boy.
Okay, here we go.
No, mummies. Hello.
Boing, 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 boing.
Tickle him. Oh my God.
You tickle up, I tickle you. Tickle,
No.
you tickle
What are
me
they
now?
doing to you,
No,
puppy?
I'm gonna poke him.
Have you haven't taken that throw? Hurry up. Do your chores.
He's not laughing.
Trevor!
I just want to do one tickle.
Oh, Chris, come on, give him a so I can video him to him.
Trevor, do your chores.
Got to get up there and change those light bulbs.
Yeah. Trevor! Is that funny? Oi!
What is he looking at? What are you looking at?
He's looking at the fan. He's like, there's a cool breeze. He's looking at
What's that? Hello? Hello? Is that right? Fan. It's a fan. Hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. No, he's finished tickling. No, you can't. Oh, tiny little boy. Yeah.
Trevor! Dishes!
What you doing? What you doing?
Don't.
I can see you.
Oh, cool, shit.
Don't bite my knee.
Chris, why'd you leave that last chip?
Oh, enough.
It was crunchy.
I see you. Just about time for bed for little boy.
Bubba.
He's gonna crawl up on you. Look. Oh.
He's trying to. There you go.
Michael.
Turn around.
Michael.
Michael.
Hello. Hello.
Oh shit, did you see his face when he lost balance?
He was like, oh shit. AJ. AJ. Hello. Hello.
He's just trying to wave.
Hello.
You're trying to wave. No, Bubba. Like he sees my rain.
Wouldn't be the same without him. He's a good boy.
He's trying to get it on. Bubba.